I looked into the Wowee cleaner, and honestly, it gives off the same vibe as a lot of pop-up cleaning products that go viral for a few months and then disappear. The ads make it look like this miracle spray that dissolves grease, mold, stains, and pretty much anything you can imagine. But when you check the fine print, there's no clear ingredient list, no certifications, and no real demonstrations from verified customers. Most of the videos online look overly staged or artificially edited. Another red flag is how widely the product is sold under different names across multiple websites. Sometimes it's called Wowee Cleaner. Other times it's rebranded as All-Purpose Eco Clean, and the listings all use identical photos. That usually means it's a generic, low-quality product that sellers rename to avoid bad reviews catching up with them. Speaking of reviews, the few positive ones seem suspiciously generic. Meanwhile, complaints mention watered-down formula, leaks during shipping, and customer service that's nearly impossible to reach. So is Wowee Cleaner legit? Technically, you might receive a bottle, but it's unlikely to match the dramatic claims from the ads. If you want a real heavy-duty cleaner, it's probably safer to stick with well-known brands that publish their ingredients and have consistent customer feedback.